Good morning and welcome to official moving day. As you can see, we have procrastinated to the very possible last second. That's pretty typical. That's pretty on brand, I would say. But today is also special for another reason. And let me tell you, it is the start of the 67 Try Your Best Beach Challenge. The challenge where we try our best. Beesh. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I will link the video of the guidelines to the challenge in the cards above, but just know that this is 100% customizable. If you don't like a certain guideline and you want to switch it up, totally welcome to do so. We're forming like a little community. Even if you don't want to do the challenge, you could still join the Discord that we made. Everyone can talk and chat and meet workout buddies and accountability buddies and, you know, just talk about life in general. You guys can support each other in like the awesome, amazing ways that you support me. And I just want to take like a really quick second to thank the moderators and admin in that group. I don't know that much about Discord, admittedly, and I unleashed that to the public and like thousands of you joined right away. And I was like, oh, I thought I was gonna have time to kind of fine tune things as people joined. Yeah, just straight pandemonium panic at like 12 at night. But these gracious souls that signed up on this sinking ship that was my Discord and decided to board anyway, you know, like took the challenge head on and completely was just like, look at this organization. Look at how beautiful the Discord server is now. I just want to let everyone know that that was not because of me. So like if you see them in the chat, like please thank them because they are freaking amazing. The best way to describe this situation is like, you know, when you get put in a group project at school and there's always that one kid that's just like not pulling their weight. They're not doing anything to like help the group. And it's not necessarily because they don't want to. It's because they don't know what's going on in the class. Well, that was definitely me. I was just like, good job, guys. You're doing great. While they're like struggling to come up with rules and stuff. And I don't know, I felt so bad, but like they are completely amazing. And I am so lucky to have people that help me like that. Also, if you're new to Discord, I will leave some links to tutorials and videos in the description of this video. So you have some resources so you're not going in there like, I don't know what I'm doing, like how I did. But right now, what are we gonna do? We are going to pack a little bit and then go to breakfast with my mom. I'm gonna be treating my mom to a breakfast and it's not going to be the most healthy and I don't want to hear anything about it. Like in my Lauren Giraldo video, I ate a banana and that's the only thing I ate in that video. And some people were like, that's why you're fat. Like all the carbs in that banana. And I was like, this banana is not why I'm fat. I am fat because I binge eat and I eat the portion size of like 6 to 8 people in one sitting. And I do that continuously. I'm like a bottomless pit. I'm getting help for it. I'll tell you about my first therapy session a little bit later, but right now let's do some stuff. Let's get this day going because it's gonna be a long one, girl. Snoop Dogg calendar from crook to cook. Here's me and Elmo going to breakfast. This is our tradition. Once a week, we have breakfast together. She's all acting like this is the last time that I'm ever gonna see her. I'm moving an hour away. I commute to work an hour one way, an hour back every single day, Monday through Friday before COVID happened. It's not a big deal.
But you won't be living with your mom.
Well, that's probably a good thing when you're almost 30.
Not when you're the mom.
Oh.
You can live with me till you're 90.
Till I'm 90?
Yeah, and then I'll be done.
That's morbid. Let's not talk about your death. But I am excited to get down on some breakfast food, always. Yes, I had a salad for breakfast. It sounded good. Now we're going to Target. I need to get some essentials Like a little coffee machine. A little coffee machine. So I could be a functioning adult. What else did we say?
Dog balls.
Dog bowls. They don't know that I'm getting a dog yet.
Did I let the cat out of the bag?
Spoiler. You let the dog out of the bag. I'm turning into someone's father out there. But yes, I am picking this dog up Monday. My mom works with a lady, or worked with a lady. Do you still work with her? No. Okay, well, she worked with a lady who has to rehome her dog because they're moving. And I was like, I got a home and I need a friend. And Chetty just does whatever he wants. So yeah, I am getting a dog animal.
And you will meet him later.
He is a chunky boy. We're both gonna need to go on a weight loss journey. So it's gonna be.
He's a pretty chubby boy.
Yeah, it's gonna be a joint weight loss journey, me and this dog.
Is his name gonna be Doug?
His name might be Doug. Animals, like I always just end up calling them whatever. Chetty's name started out Morty. No, it started out Moriarty. Then we started calling him Morty. Then Panchetti. Then Chetty. We call him Chetty Corn. Then just Corn. It's like, do animals really have names? Chetty does know his name. I think he just comes to my voice though. Oh, I'll have to insert the clip here of Chetty's trick. It's called Chetty on the Jumpoline, where he comes when I'm on the trampoline. So yeah, enjoy.
Chetty on the Jumpoline. Chetty on the Jumpoline.
Oh, he's not gonna get past Murphy. Murphy. Well, it was hell to get there.
A lot of obstacles. You got through like 12 dogs. Serious question, do you think I need this? Can't see you shaking your head. You have an Elmo over it.
Well, then the answer is
She says no.
yeah.
This song.
Funky with this.
Okay, I think we're ready to go. Was getting triggered. Everything the light touches. Okay, this is as far as we got. The bed. All my furniture's freaking heavy. But it's just like the desk, and then the hard part will be over. Well, besides the unloading it part. I'm already exhausted. Moving sucks. I'm never moving again. Elmo, are you exhausted?
Yep. And we barely getting started.
Right. Let's see how many hair ties Chetty kicked under the rug.
Oh God, don't film that. Oh my God. That's horrible.
I know.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Not only is it really dusty and gross, but look at all. This is why I don't have any hair ties. Chetty. Oh, he knows what he had done. Chetty. Okay, we are off now. I'm exhausted. Elmo's definitely exhausted. Safe to say I am not working out today. Hell no.
You had a workout just now.
Yeah, jeez. I need to start lifting weights. It's pretty sad. I just wanted to let everybody know, because editing makes it look like I'm moving everything all by myself, that I did in fact have help. I was just sick of putting cartoon characters over people's faces because it's kind of an intensive process. So yeah, thank you to everybody who helped me move, and as customary tradition, you buy pizza for the people who help you move, so I did that for dinner. So I figured I would take a break from moving in because honestly my knees and everything is screaming. I want to die. As you guys know, I started BetterHelp last week, and you guys were wanting me to let you know how I liked it and stuff because, you know, you were thinking of doing it or whatever else. And first and foremost, BetterHelp does not take insurance. I know that there's some like aid programs if you qualify for it, like you can get it at a discount, but I paid I think $380 for the month. And I was like, ooh, that's pretty steep. But honestly, if it's an investment in yourself, and I mean, I would pay like literally any amount of money if it could help me stop binging, because like the amount of out of control I feel, it sucks so bad. Anyways, so I was very skeptical about BetterHelp because, you know, it's like virtual, everything's online. It took a couple days to get matched with my therapist. But I was very skeptical when I first started talking to her because like every little thing I would say, if I told her like, yeah, I've been experiencing depression lately, I've been feeling down, I've been having a hard time with productivity, executive function type stuff, really bad anxiety, you know, just going through like the list. And to every single thing, she was like, thank you for sharing that with me, like thanking me for giving her this information. And I was just like, ugh. I was just like, oh God, this is so cheesy. Like, this is not what I thought it was going to be. Because I'm a pretty blunt person, so I don't need someone like thanking me for sharing stuff. I just want to like hear it straight, like how it is. So I was like a little put off by that at first, because it kind of felt like robotic as well. Like every time I would share something on like the chat messages, then like she'd say, oh, thank you for sharing that, blah, blah, blah. You know what I mean? Like it seemed like very templated, but I had a voice chat with her on Saturday and everything was completely normal. Like I was sitting across from someone, you know, because I could see her. It was like a FaceTime call. And the session itself was very basic. Like I expected the first session to be, you know, like just establishing a rapport, getting to know what my goals are. You know, obviously nothing like groundbreaking, like I didn't have a major breakthrough or anything on the first session. But she did give me some homework for like binging, and she told me to make a list of like 15 things that I could do instead of binging, just to kind of like delay the response. So I put like very basic things like take a bath, take a walk, make a tea, drink a glass of water, pet an animal. But yeah, so nothing really complicated. And I kind of told her, I was like, I've been looking into like cognitive behavioral therapy. I think that I could benefit from that a lot. I need help with executive function. So obviously like I can't compare BetterHelp to sit down therapy because I've never done that. This is my first rodeo with therapy, so I can't give that comparison. I can say that it does feel legit. I don't know, I honestly didn't like think too much into the company or anything when I picked. I was just like, I need this and I probably need to get in like as soon as possible because I am spiraling. But yeah, on that note, I just want to thank you guys so much for being so kind. I think like there was like a movement in the comments last week. We're just gonna push positivity to the top, and like it was like overwhelming, and I don't know, it just makes me feel good. The dumb thing is like 99.9% of you are like that all the time. Like you're constantly positive and you're just like hyping me up and you're just like being so supportive. It's so annoying that my brain decides that the ones that are true are the negative ones and the ones that are false are all the positive ones, even though the positive ones outweigh the negative ones by tons. So maybe that's something I should bring up in therapy. Honestly, I need to bring up a lot of things in therapy. I have a lot of unresolved issues, but right now we need to like move our bones, get out of this comfy bed. And I really shouldn't be laying in it anyway because like I'm dirty as hell right now. We need to continue moving into this house. Hey guys, so I didn't film anymore that night because the rest of the evening consisted of me trying to set up my Wi-Fi, which for some reason is way more complicated than it needs to be. The rest of the evening just consisted of me sitting crisscross applesauce on the floor being confused. So yeah, but I slept on the couch at my mom's house last night because all of my stuff was in boxes and I was just like exhausted and wanted to go home and take a shower, and I also left all my toiletries here at my mom's house. But yeah, so this is the last of everything that's in my old room. And when you guys see me next, I will be all moved into my house and ready to start a new chapter in my life. But I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye!